This is our G-3 kit. It may not look like your G-3 kit, and some of the ones we got definitely didn't look this good. But we've kind of laid it out here to show you what the rifle would look like when it was in its complete configuration. And you can see what they've done to destroy the receiver in this case. They've essentially just cut right through the middle of the receiver and thrown away the whole rear part of the receiver with the sight base. So when you get your kit, you want to look through and make certain everything is there. Now, obviously, we've got a buttstock, and I'm going to slide this out. And the buttstock has now. We're just trial fitting it, okay? So we want to try to keep it in the vertical plane. Now you can take a no bounce hammer, but I'm still playing around with my hands here to see the fit. As you can see here in the front of the receiver, we're working our barrel and trunnion assembly in. Now you can hopefully see we've got drag marks here and we got drag marks here. Where our weld was, we have nothing. So it kind of indicates we're just going to need to literally kiss that part of the trunnion a little bit with the belt sander. Now you can see we have the same thing here. We have drag marks here, but where our weld was, we have nothing because we kind of... Both sets of instructions have you relocate the pin. There's slight differences in the dimensions, but basically you move the pin to the rear and down slightly. Now additionally, on the special weapons instructions, they have you change the travel of the trigger by the installations of the limit pins. I'm going to show you on another one where I've got a little bit easier to see. You can see the two limit pins for the trigger. Obviously, this pin here controls forward travel. This pin here is our rearward travel. Now what they have in the special weapons instructions are the exact dimensions that you need to drill and where to drill to add an additional stop so that it limits the travel. Now that's also extra insurance. The modifications that we're going to make later prohibit the installation of the full auto parts, and we've modified the internal parts so that no matter how much travel you have, you don't have full automatic fire capability. So if you're building special weapons, you can actually drill and put in the limit pin. It isn't necessary, it's just added insurance. If you're building the federal arms, they want you to put the plate in. Again, it's not necessary because the modifications that we're going to do positively prevent full automatic fire no matter how hard you pull on the trigger or anything else. Now let's go ahead and start modifying the trigger box itself. Now what we've got here